Use a wall wire detector to avoid drilling into electrics or pipes. Mark the positions of wall units and bracket holes. Ensure all markings are level. Drill the bracket holes, fit the wall plugs and screw the brackets into place. Remove doors and store safely before lifting the unit up and onto the brackets. Make sure the unit is level on all sides. To avoid damaging the mechanism, one person should lift the weight of the unit whilst a second makes adjustments with a screwdriver. Repeat this process for the next unit. Since the small unit is placed at the end, these have been screwed together for easier fitting. The wine rack was fixed to the end, creating a single unit. After levelling, screw each unit into its neighbour, securing them together. Next, clip the doors back on. Fit the hooks around the bracket and push the Prept logo until the hinge clicks into place. Use the adjustment screws to level and align the doors. Holes for interior shelves are pre-drilled with 3 height options. Place the shelf pegs into the holes as required. Fillers are provided for unused holes. All Prept units have soft closing hinges and drawers. The durability of our kitchens ensures they can be enjoyed for many years.